Hello folks, I am back to try a little experiment. So I need to create some background papers to do some bugs, some like die cut bugs, and I want to do some punchy bugs and things like that. And I want to use my alcohol inks because I haven't used my alcohol inks in a while. And I was looking up alternatives to Yupo because Yupo is wicked expensive, and it just said you need waterproof paper. And I remembered that I have this box of Rite in the Rain all-weather printer paper that I got for a specific project, and I decided that I haven't gotten to that project yet. But it's waterproof, and you can use it wet or dry. It says it won't work with gel pens, highlighters, or fountain pens, or watercolors. But it does work with pencils, Rite in the Rain pens, wax markers, and crayons. I just noticed that. Oh, let's see what happens with alcohol inks. So I have a piece of paper here. Actually, I think I'm going to cut this into, just in case it's a real disaster, I'm going to cut this in half. And so I'll have two chances here on this one. I think it's the same on both sides. It feels kind of waxy. So I have my alcohol inks, and I have a spray thing. I didn't really prepare, did I? I have some alcohol in a spray bottle. I have some hand sanitizer, which is mostly alcohol. I have alcohol blending solution. So let's try some, well, let's just spray some alcohol on here first. Okay, interesting. And I want like buggy colors. I'm just gonna that's interesting. Let's get some buggy greens. What's a buggy green? This looks like a buggy green. And maybe something bright. Let's see. What else have we got? I've got some mixatives, gold. This needs to be shaken though. Should we try a little, what do I have for yellow? I've got Dijon. Ooh, that looks kind of brown. That's not very yellow. Mixative Sienna. Got, looks very brown. I don't have much yellow in the way of yellow, I guess. That was the Dijon. Silver, copper, sienna, gunmetal, and the rest are mostly blues. So let me see, what else do I have? There's some, did I use this one? Did I use Glacier? Let's see. While I shake this up, let me see if I can, move this a little bit. All pretty interesting, isn't it? I should have shaken this ahead of time. Sorry about that. Let's see what we can do with some... And then I'm going to add a little bit of blending solution to that. I think this is working pretty well. Move that around a little bit. See if I can get it to fill in some of the empty spaces. So it doesn't matter too much how this looks as a thing, because my whole goal is to cut it up. What was the original blue that I used? I really liked the original blue. It was all green. Here's a turquoise. And then here's the ooh, that looks cool. All right, so that's interesting. So it does seem to work. I don't know how long it's going to take to dry, but I'm going to put that aside and get a wipe. Actually, you know what? I think I need to mop this up a little bit. Where's my... There we go. Some of the puddles there. Okay. So all right, let's move that aside. Let's see if I can not muddy it on the next one. So I wipe this up. So I think I liked the brighter blues. I'm going to start with the alcohol again. And I'm going to do the blue, the other blue, it's dark, the turquoise, and that really bright green. And some blending solution. And now let's do a few drops of that gold. I'm going to drop it right into the blending solution. Oops, or not. Okay, and now let's do our moving. See what happens. The air squirty thing is a technique unto itself, I think. And then what happens if I do a squirt of... Ooh, that looks so cool. Oh, I have it everywhere. Alrighty. This spot right there is not making me happy. I'm going to do a little blue in there. Well, that's cool. Just trying to get it covered. I'm trying to get the... Ooh, that's strong. Everything distributed. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. And I'll let it dry and let you know how it worked. But I think that Rite in the Rain paper, I'd call that, you know, I'd call that a success. That's that first one. And I'm going to be cutting these things apart. So I think it's good. I think it's messy, but it's good. Let's just wipe that up. Oops, a bit. It's all over everywhere. Yeah, happy with that. All right, so that is, let me show you the paper again. That is doing alcohol inks on Rite in the Rain paper, which I think is significantly less expensive than Yupo. So, experiment confirmed. That's all for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.